Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the laptop, unplugging it, and removing any external storage. This prevents electrical damage. Once done, ground yourself, touch metal, or use an anti-static wrist strap because NVMe modules are sensitive to static. Next, remove the back panel using the correct screwdriver and keep screws organized so you can reassemble. Make sure to note connector orientation and any shielding. That information matters because the drive must seat at the correct angle and secure firmly to the standoff. You now remove the existing NVMe, unscrew the tiny retaining screw and lift the stick out at a roughly 20-30 degrees angle. This avoids bending pins. Then align the new M2 module by matching the notch to the slot, insert it at the same angle, and press it down gently until it sits on the standoff. Once seated, reinstall the screw to secure it. This provides electrical contact and mechanical stability. If the laptop has a thermal pad or heatsink, make sure it contacts the drive to prevent thermal throttling. You finish by reassembling the chassis and reconnecting the battery and power. Once powered, enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the NVMe is detected, and if you replace the system drive, set it as the primary boot device. If the OS isn't present, prepare installation media and install or clone the old drive. If the drive doesn't appear, troubleshoot. Power down, reseat the module, verify the standoff/screw alignment, update BIOS firmware, or test the NVMe in another machine or USB adapter to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.